Hello and welcome back to our school year. My name is Miss Kaler. You can call me Miss K or Miss Kaler, it's up to you. And I'm really excited to be your teacher for Brit Lit this year. We are going to have a bunch of fun together. So the first thing that I wanted to do is walk you through our course site. It's a Canvas, which you should be familiar with this from your other classes at Dunlap High School, but let's go ahead and walk through it anyway. So you should be able to see my screen, and the first thing you'll come to is our homepage on our Canvas. I left you a funny Game of Thrones meme, which I hope gives you the sense that in my classes I'm all about making connections from the things that we're reading today or watching today, like Game of Thrones, and the classic stuff that's sitting on our shelves, like Shakespeare. So that's what we're really all about here in Brit Lit this semester. And then here on our homepage, I will leave you throughout the course of the semester documents that you'll want to refer back to. So in this case, at the time, the only things that I have that I want you to have access to consistently is our syllabus and our calendar. And then if there's other resources that come up that I think I'd like you to have access to, I will post them here for you. I'll give you a chance to look at that syllabus a little bit later on in the calendar as well. That's what's there. Another feature that we will use consistently is our assignment tab. So if you click over here on the left, it'll take you to your first assignment, which is a summer break check-in. We can open that up and take a look at that together as well. So what you're going to do is talk to me about your summer break. How was it? And to answer that question, you're going to insert an image or a GIF that answers that question of how was your break. And if you're not quite sure how to do that yet, go ahead and follow the link that's right here that says GIF, the hyperlink, and it will take you and explain that to you. All right, so that is your first assignment. Now, if you're like me, you will definitely enjoy this feature. This is our calendar tab, and here Canvas will actually generate for you a list of assignments that are due and put them on a calendar for you throughout the semester, and they're color-coded. So right now, in my student view, this is the only class that you're seeing, and this is our only assignment that's posted. So that's good so far, but throughout the course of the school year, this will really fill up with your different assignments in different classes. So it'll tell you here, and if there's a specific time that it's due as well, and take you to the link. So I hope you find that feature to be helpful. If you have any other questions about our learning site, feel free to let me know. I would love to walk you through it again, and we will get to know this further as we have more content to kind of flesh out on the page. All right, guys, have a good one. I'll see you in class.